In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify ownership on Temu. Whether you're trying to access additional features or ensure your account is fully secure, verifying your ownership is an important step. I'll guide you through the process, so let's jump into it. First, you'll need to open the Temu mobile app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and find it in your app store. Once you've got it installed and running, you'll be greeted by the homepage or login screen. Make sure you're signed in if you're not already, because you'll need access to your account details to proceed. Once you're in the app, the next step is to click on the You option or your profile. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen and might look like a small icon of a person. Clicking this will direct you to your profile page, where you can manage different aspects of your account. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Settings option. You'll typically find it as a small gear icon or labeled button located within your profile page. Click on it to open up a list of customizable settings related to your account and app usage. Within the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled Account Security. This section is crucial, as it houses all your security preferences and verification processes. Select Account Security to proceed. At this point, you are in the section where you can manage your account settings and address any verification issues you might have. Take a moment to look over your security settings to ensure they're up to date. Now, you'll want to verify whether your account has been verified. This status is typically displayed prominently in this section, so it should be immediately apparent. If your account is already verified, you're all set. However, if your account still needs verification, you will have to complete the necessary steps. If verification hasn't been completed, the process involves checking your email inbox. Look for a verification email from Temu, which should have landed there when you initially signed up or requested verification. This email will contain a unique link or code necessary to finalize your account verification. Sometimes verification emails can end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it in your main inbox. Once you've located the verification email, follow the instructions it provides to complete the verification process. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your ownership on Temu, ensuring a secure experience with full access to your account's features. Thanks for watching this guide, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.